Hey, what's up everyone? So this is the end of day 3. We are moving quite fast. I'm quite happy about the results. Right now we removed the what's called the linoleum flooring on the floor with my dad and my nephew, and then right now we are in the process of removing the whole subfloor. So it's good, we're moving fast. Which is not that good is the floor, the metal floor underneath the subfloor. It's quite rusty. At some point I have a hole, well, 2 holes right there, here and there. So it's not that bad. I'm still gonna have to remove this specific part, buy a new sheet of metal and then weld it onto the actual floor as soon as the floor is completely clean. But that's probably the only thing that I'm gonna have to do. Back at it today to remove this stubborn subfloor. Stubborn because the thing is, there's screws everywhere. It's not only on every edges, it's also in the middle of each sheet of plywood. So it's very annoying. It's very difficult to remove them using the crowbar. Amazing. There's not a lot of rust here, which is good. It's kind of a relief. So quite happy about it. Yeah. Alright, almost half of the bus is done. Subfloor is almost removed, but there's quite a mess underneath. As you can see, it's not pretty, but yeah, I have a plan. I'm very happy. I managed to remove the last piece of plywood, so there is no plywood inside the bus. Well, just all that scrap now. But yeah, the only thing now that I need to remove are the heaters. So this is something that I watched a couple of videos recently, well, yesterday, on how the other Skoolie builders did, and well, it's quite a mess, but I'll try to do my best to remove those correctly, because there's a lot of coolant and it's corrosive, and it's not good for the health, and it's not good for the earth, so I'll have to be careful. Then I'm gonna have to remove all of those screws right here and clean up the mess. Then finally, well, remove all of the scrap, all of the plywood that is here, and then clean up correctly, clean up perfectly the floor, grind all of the rust that I could grind. Then I need to buy the rust converter, put the converter everywhere in the bus, and I have to let it sit for 24 hours. So that's it for the day. Like I said, I'm quite happy with the results, quite good. So bye guys.